2 stolen vehicles were brought to our depot in the last 2 days. Almost perfectly cloned. Luckily, the one customer who bought it from a reputable dealership, his investment is safe. Reached out to the dealer, he agreed with all the data that we presented him, and that customer will have a refund. Unluckily for the second customer who purchased a vehicle from a private individual whose phone is currently off, is going to lose a car to the value of 610,000 Rand. It's super sad. It's the 31st of December at 1:15 that we're creating this video. We had a long discussion with the team and we decided to assist the dealer network. On the 24th of January, which will be a Saturday, we invite 15 dealerships. So it's going to be first come, first serve. We'll have it in what we call the fish tank. It's a very nice corporate office that we created that we don't use because we like the action at the sales department. We trained 42 dealers last year, where all 42 dealers were caught with a cloned vehicle. One of the biggest dealerships in Gezina had lost 2 months prior to the training 750,000 Rand on a Legend 50 Hilux that the cops came and took, clearly a stolen cloned vehicle, and a Polo TSI to the value of 350,000 Rand. Exactly R1 million that dealership has lost a couple of months before he attended our masterclass training on how to identify stolen and cloned cars. It's been almost, I think, 15 or 16 months later that he hasn't bought one, and he buys hundreds of cars each and every month from private individuals. If you're interested as a dealership to attend this masterclass session, where it's going to be purely focused on how to identify and avoid buying a stolen or cloned vehicle, the cost involved will be 15,000 Rand, 15,000 Rand. We have 15 spots. We don't have more seats in that fishbowl there. 24th of January, it will be a Saturday. It will take me 2 hours to train you one-on-one like this with real life data and incidents that I have experienced in. I have personally bought 14 cloned vehicles, and 4 years ago I had a meeting through my contacts at the undercover police department to actually sit down with one of the kingpins that does cloned vehicles, big syndicate head, and we had a discussion for about 4 hours where I took all 14 files to him, and he identified each and every mistake along the way which I had made and gave me a 5-step system. I will use my personal losses that we've had to endure over the past years of all 14 cases. A lot of them are similar, but there's always something slightly different to make you street smart and ensure that you don't ever lose money again on a cloned or stolen vehicle. If you're interested, there's a couple of ways to reach out. You can DM me my number, you can send me a WhatsApp. It's the same number as my bio or my username, sorry, not bio, across all our channels. And the first 15 people that commit will be the 15 people that we will assist in this horrific crime that is cloned and stolen vehicles. Just to give you context, the last vehicle that we purchased, we actually purchased from an acting advocate in the chambers in Brooklyn. It was a Toyota Etios. It was a 135,000 Rand car. Because I wanted to prove a point and because of the male ego, I spent 275,000 Rand on lawyers to make sure that I prove my point against this guy. The challenge is, it ends up in High Court, in the Johannesburg High Court, where we found him guilty. And this guy's slick, he knows the law. He appealed in the Bloemfontein High Court, so the process had to restart. When you go to High Court, you have to be represented not only by your lawyer, but by an advocate as well. The gentleman that we used was 60,000 Rand per appearance. So eventually you run out of steam using good money to go and chase bad money. And as good as I am fighting in court, it was just so expensive, it's not worth it. So I'd like to offer you the service, and I'd like to help you guys not go through the pain that we had to. If this is interesting to you, you can please, like I said, shoot me a number, shoot me your number or WhatsApp, or send me a DM. I think the best way will be a WhatsApp. Els, what do you think?
Yeah, I think that's
And
better.
then we'll book you, one of 15 people. And when the tickets are sold out, they're sold out. So please don't lose this opportunity. We have, unfortunately, vast experience with this, and it's very sad. And I've lost millions of rands. And I just saw the family's face when I showed them that it's actually a stolen car, it's a cloned car. And they contacted the dealership. The dealership was playing nice and they're safe. But the second person will unfortunately lose 600,000 rand. And there's not much that anybody can do about it, because that person paid the criminal about a month ago. Phone is off, and I don't think you'll get a hold of him to get his money back. If you don't want to be in that position, I'm reaching out to assist you. If you're interested, shoot me a WhatsApp. We'll book your seat. See you on the 24th. Between now and then, enjoy New Year's. Uncle Bob's, Els, and the rest of the team out.